There's a quiet revolution unfolding in Burkina Faso, West Africa. For years, the country exported gold and cotton as raw materials, only to buy them back as costly finished goods. Now, under Captain Ibrahim Traore, that's changing. Factories are rising, workers are being trained, and value is staying home. It's more than policy, it's a mindset shift, challenging old economic models. Burkina Faso is building a future that's truly its own, from agriculture to technology. Let's see how this bold path could reshape a nation and a region. It all starts with food. For too long, Burkina Faso imported what it could grow. Traore's government pushed for agricultural empowerment, better seeds, modern tools, and local markets. The goal? Make farming profitable, not just survival. Feeding your own people means real sovereignty and shields you from global shocks. This keeps money local, creates rural jobs, and strengthens the economy from the ground up. It's about dignity and security. Secure the land beneath your feet. And that's exactly what they're doing, one harvest at a time. This movement directly challenges the colonial economic model, extraction for others' gain. For years, raw materials left Africa, value was added elsewhere, and dependency continued. Burkina Faso is breaking that cycle by refusing to export raw resources. Now, value stays home, building real economic sovereignty. This is true decolonization, reclaiming control over wealth and destiny. It's a message to the continent. The old rules no longer apply. Air Burkina isn't just an airline. It's a symbol of independence. For years, regional flights meant detours through Europe, a colonial legacy. Now, Air Burkina connects West Africa directly, boosting trade, tourism, and regional ties. It creates skilled jobs and national pride. A strong airline means goods, and people move on Burkina Faso's terms. It's a flying billboard for a nation on the rise. Burkina Faso knows it can go it alone. Enter the alliance of Sahel states, Burkina Faso, Mali, and Niger, pooling sovereignty for strength. Together, they form a unified economic bloc, negotiating globally from a position of power. Shared resources and coordinated policies mean bigger projects and greater leverage. This alliance is about more than security. It's about regional transformation. Collaboration, not competition, is unlocking Africa's future. The August 4th Stadium isn't just concrete. It's a symbol of national pride. It's where Burkinabe unite, celebrate, and dream. Renovating it says, your culture and joy matter. In times of change, such symbols inspire unity and hope. The stadium proves development is about spirit, not just economics. It's a gathering place for a nation building something special. True development means more than one economic hub. Expanding Bobo Dioulaso's airport decentralizes growth and boosts trade. It connects the agricultural and industrial heartland directly to global markets. Tourists and goods can now bypass the capital, spreading opportunity. This project creates jobs and connects the region to the world economy. It's a strategic move for balanced national growth. Landlocked? No problem. The Bobo Dioulasso dry port brings the coast inland. It streamlines customs and logistics. cutting costs and delays for imports and exports. Businesses get goods faster, exports reach markets sooner. The dry port turns a geographic challenge into a trade advantage. Bobo Dioulasso becomes a regional logistics hub. It's smart infrastructure that changes the game. Roads are the arteries of an economy. Burkina Faso's new highways connect cities, farms, and neighbors, unlocking trade and opportunity. Better roads mean fresher produce, cheaper goods, and safer travel. For a landlocked nation, strong road links are vital. Every new road is a lifeline for growth and prosperity. The real engine of progress, people. The Education Development Project is building schools, training teachers, and opening doors, especially for girls and rural communities. An educated population drives innovation and growth. This investment creates the doctors, engineers, and entrepreneurs of tomorrow. Education is the foundation for every advance. It's the ultimate investment in Burkina Faso's future. Infrastructure needs cement, and for years, Burkina Faso imported it. Now, a mega cement factory slashes costs and creates jobs. Local production fuels construction, keeps money in the economy, and boosts self-reliance. It's classic import substitution, powering every project. The factory stands as a symbol of industrial independence, building the nation literally from the ground up. Gold is Burkina Faso's treasure, but the real value lies in refining it. For years, profits left the country. Now, a domestic refinery keeps wealth at home. Burkina Faso sells fine gold, not just ore, capturing more profit and control. This project could transform the nation's fortunes. Billions in revenue can now be reinvested locally. It's a bold step for economic sovereignty. Industry runs on energy, and fuel security is essential. Burkina Faso's new hydrocarbon depot creates a strategic reserve and streamlines distribution. It stabilizes prices, secures supply, and supports businesses. The project creates skilled jobs and shields the economy from global shocks. It's a vital step for a self-sufficient, industrialized future. Energy independence powers the new economy. Burkina Faso is building its own tech ecosystem for a digital future. Investments in tech education, startups, and internet access are underway. Local innovators are solving problems with global standard technology. From fintech to e-health, tech is diversifying the economy. It's a leap into the knowledge economy. Industrialization doesn't have to pollute. Burkina Faso's electric vehicle factory plan is ambitious and green. Building EVs locally creates jobs, reduces fuel imports, and fights pollution. It's proof African industry can be sustainable and cutting edge. The future is clean and it's being built at home. For heavy goods, rail beats roads. Modernizing Burkina Faso's railway links mines and farms to ports and dry ports. It cuts transport costs, eases road congestion, and is eco-friendly. A stronger rail network cements Burkina Faso's role as a regional hub. It's about building an integrated transport system. Clean water is the foundation of health, industry, and agriculture. New wells, treatment plants, and pipelines are transforming lives. Access to water means fewer diseases, more education, and stronger industries. It empowers women and boosts productivity. Water infrastructure unlocks human and economic potential. Burkina Faso grows cashews, but once exported them raw. Now, local plants turn nuts into high value products. This creates jobs, especially for women, and pays farmers more. The country builds its brand and keeps profits at home. It's a microcosm of the new strategy. Process, don't just export. Value addition transforms the economy. Progress means housing for all, not just the wealthy. The For the People project builds affordable homes, tackling shortages and informal settlements. Home ownership brings stability and dignity. The project creates jobs and boosts local materials. It's economic stimulus and social progress in one. Strong communities are built one house at a time. In a multipolar world, Burkina Faso diversifies partnerships. A gold refinery deal with Russia brings capital, expertise, and technology transfer. More revenue stays at home, and local staff are trained. It's a pragmatic pivot, national interest over all allegiances. Competing global powers mean better deals for Burkina Faso. A nation's values are seen in how it treats its elders. The Maga Geriatric Hospital is the first, offering specialized care for the elderly. It's a commitment to dignity and quality healthcare. The project strengthens social bonds and honors tradition. It's a humane investment in the nation's fabric. The boldest project, a nuclear power plant. Partnering with Russia, Burkina Faso aims for energy independence. Nuclear power means clean, reliable electricity for industry and homes. It's a leap into a high-tech future with huge potential rewards. The project could make Burkina Faso an energy exporter. It's a vision for the next 50 years, not just 5. The new Ouagadougou-Donsine International Airport is a modern gateway for Burkina Faso. Built outside the city, it frees up land and handles more travelers and cargo. The airport brings new airlines and opens new routes. It projects ambition and organization. It's a new front door for Burkina Faso. Financial inclusion spreads opportunity and wealth. The Post Bank uses post offices to bring banking to millions, even in remote areas. People can save, borrow, and join the formal economy. It empowers citizens and drives grassroots growth. A legacy institution becomes a modern engine for inclusion. None of this happens without Thomas Sankara's legacy. The Thomas Sankara Mausoleum honors the revolutionary who dreamed of self-sufficiency and Pan-Africanism. It's more than a memorial. It's a guiding light for today's transformation. The project connects past ideals to present action, a powerful symbol of vision and continuity. Much produce spoils before reaching market. A new processing factory buys from local farmers, turning crops into sauces and paste. This cuts waste, stabilizes incomes, and creates jobs. Local products replace imports, keeping money in the economy. One factory can transform the entire value chain. Corruption kills development. Traore's anti-corruption drive is swift audits, arrests, and transparency in public spending. The message, the old ways are over. Now, money meant for schools and hospitals builds them. Fighting corruption is an economic necessity. Only then does the nation's wealth reach its people. All these projects are part of Traore's raw material agenda. The rule: no raw material leaves unprocessed. Cotton becomes fabric. Manganese becomes alloys. Shea nuts become butter. The goal: climb the value chain in every sector. It's a plan for true economic liberation. Burkina Faso is transforming from commodity supplier to producer. Health and knowledge go hand in hand. The University Hospital Center trains doctors and delivers advanced care at home. It reduces brain drain and builds local expertise. The hospital is a hub for research and innovation. It's an investment in lives and minds. Radical change needs a government that works. Traore's overhaul streamlined ministries and promoted young, capable technocrats. The goal: build a state that acts decisively and serves the people. Efficient government is the engine behind every project. It's about building a state that delivers. For lasting change, strong institutions are essential. Traore's focus is on building transparent, accountable government, rule of law, independent judiciary, and a professional civil service are the pillars. These systems embed the revolution's principles for the long term. Strong institutions guarantee stability and progress. Burkina Faso is quietly rewriting the rules, project by project, with vision and resolve. This is a nation steering its own destiny, challenging old systems. The risks are high, but the reward is true sovereignty. It's a blueprint for Africa, showing what's possible when a nation prioritizes its people. The quiet roar of a continent is growing louder. Is the world ready to listen? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more stories that matter.